Hi, and welcome to Magic Scanner website, a fundamental stock selector for KLSE and SGX financial market. You're about to learn the secrets to raking in double to triple digit return per annum in trading or investing, no matter how much time you've had to prepare. It doesn't matter if you've never had any past experience or education, this Magic Scanner will tell you everything you need to know without spending too much brain power. This is unlike any tool you'll find out there. It's the edge that most analysts and fund managers want or have. Go ahead and get yours now.
Morning to all our audience and listener who is listening in now. I'd like to welcome you to another Friday chart clinic for the week ending 22nd of May 2013. For start, these are the agenda we have today. If you have any stocks that you want me to look at, please let me know and send them in as I. Now, for those of you who don't know, the Traders Truth Review, we actually have our annual investor trader gathering. We do it sometime always in April and May just to showcase this one. How many of you heard of this? I know this will be the first time officially that I'm announcing to the public as well to our subscriber and like subscriber the Property and Stock Investment Talk Saturday 6th of April 2013, where we have all the trader and investor as well as our client all like-minded together under one roof, where at the UEM convention to just talk about generally about investment. And this year I managed to get hold of Mr. Dr. Peter Yee for that one. So if you want to know more information, maybe I'll just go over to this website here, valueinvestor.com. You can go and check it out here. So this is the website, valueinvestor.my. Okay, it's valueinvestor.my, where we'll be doing it's a morning session, just 3 hours for a small fee, just to cover our publication as well as our refreshment. And I don't think at the same time we find that the small fee is how small. I mean, what is only 89 ringgit. Basically, that's it. And if you pay by cash, it'll be 94. We have a $5 handling fee because we have to check all the manual. And I do believe that 89 ringgit will be well spent because we're able to get Dr. Peter Yee, who is talking about property, and he's one of the first few people who actually taught me about property about 10 years ago. And since then, the money that I made from the stock side, I actually take it to the property, and the money I make from a property, I put it back to the stock. So that's how we alternate, and that's what we intend to share with you. How many of you are really interested in property and stocks? Just a show of hands in the audience. Okay, how many of you are interested in stocks and property? Okay, and just say type yes if you're interested in stocks and property. Okay. Okay. You interested in stocks and property? All right. Good, Ling. Okay. Now this property and stock we will be promoting to our subscriber and like subscriber. If you've been coming up to our website for the last 1 or 2 years, and this is an opportunity for you to come and see us and meet us. And I also like to see you in person and talk to you, to really shake your hands and to know you as a person rather than over the webinar that we've been doing. So it is there for a small fee, just 89 ringgit. And what you'll be talking about is how to protect your investment using property and stocks in the falling market. Why buy property? About how to make money from residence and commercial properties. How to make it part of you in the trends. That's from Peter's side. And what an investment strategy he'll be talking about. So the talk will be about 1 hour to 15 minutes with Peter, and then the other 1 hour and 15 minutes will be myself. Okay, will Cyprus issue affect KL more than GE? Of course not. The Cyprus issue will affect the entire world. If it's going to affect the entire world, then Malaysia will be in it. I wouldn't worry so much, Henry. Look at the overall picture and the market outlook. If you're in town, do you live in KL, Henry? I think you came, right, last Saturday to my talk. All right. Okay, so I'll be talking about the market outlook for second half of the year. Oh, you didn't come last Saturday. Okay, it'll be all right. Oh, you're from JP. Now the talk will be from on the 6th of April. It will be held at UEM Convention. This is the place. You know where is the PJ Hilton? This is the PJ Hilton in PJ, and this is a map here. Do consider to come down for our half-day session. We have the morning and afternoon session. The morning session will start at 9:30 to 12:30, and the afternoon session will start at 2:30 to 5:30. It's the same session. Basically, we're trying to get more people to come. With that, going back to this, I will talk about how you can combine stocks and property to protect your retirement and net worth. Because I've been doing this for some time, and I've been getting a lot of help from Peter, and Peter really telling me, he's into stocks and property the same as I do. So I say, hey, why don't we tell people how we can do it. So if you are interested in stocks and property, where at the same time we're also managing for our clients for the portfolio as well, privately managed funds. So I will also be detailing the top 5 safetiest KLSE stocks, 5 quickest recovery, and some current stocks to avoid now. And there are lots more. There will be a bonus session towards the end that will be an open dialogue where the audience can come and ask questions, where both the speakers, myself and Peter, on matters related to stocks and things. So as a package, this 89 ringgit is a great deal. You get a book from Peter Yee. You can become rich in property, and you also have a new publication from our site, Traders Truth Review, is the Magic Number Stock Performance Guide. That's a new one. We are getting into the printing machine to get it up. So if you come on that day, if you paid, and you can pay by credit card or banking slip, you can collect this 2 exclusive package, which is Peter Yee's book, as well as a stock performance guide for the KLSE market. I will talk about a bit later on the package. Now there are some payment details here on the website, and the website is valueinvestor.my. And why we call this, because we are looking where there is value in the market, and we want to do that. So seats are limited. We have about 90 seats for each session, which is in the morning and also in the afternoon. 90 seats in the morning and 90 seats at night. So just give you an update. As of 20th of March, we have sold about 10 seats for the morning session, and we sold about 5 seats in the morning session. So come and support us for this annual Traders Truth Review gathering, where we just simply talk about investment. How many of you are free on April 6th? Just a show of hands. How many are interested to come? Alright, how many are interested to come? Mr. E, you must come, Mr. E. Okay, property and stock. Catherine, I know it's tough for you because you're in Sydney. Right, David, alright, come over. Joseph, Ming, alright. Linda from Sramban, you should come over too and come to our talk. Okay. How many of you interested to come to our talk here? Okay, property and stock talk. Do consider us. Come and support us, right? And I'd like to see all of you too. Okay. Just want to show a hand, how many of you are you interested to come to our property and stock talk, April 6th. Okay. Good. Oh, Linda, okay, that's fine. You're traveling all the while traveling. Yeah, April 6th, which is on a Saturday, 2 days from now. And I will also talk a bit about the wish to come to a meeting one day. Yes, Ling, that's right. Come to JB. We'll be also talking about the general election in nature, before and after, what are stocks to look at. Okay. Hope you all can make it. Come and for the talk. We need your support in here. More importantly, I'd like to meet all you in person. I know you by your emails. Just by your name, I do you know how you look like. Okay. So this is will be held in Kuala Lumpur. It's on on Saturday morning session and the afternoon session, 9 o'clock. All right. So that's one. I will talk about it. So the next thing is the new publication that will be released on the Value Investor Property and Stock Talk would be the Magic Stock Performance Guide, where we will look at all the KLSE data pretty much what a snapshot from Magic Scanner can do. So this is a new publication. I will keep this really a secret, and we are very busy now getting the publication out. So this manual here, or we call the stock performance guide, will be available to all the participants who comes on 6th of April. So take this opportunity to come. It's for only for a small fee, and you get great stuff. Okay, so that's all I just want to talk about that. Now I'm just going to go quickly and try to cover more stocks in here. For start, we'll be looking at these stocks. If you have any stocks you want me to look at, just send them to me. Right. First one will be Globetronics. Yeah, this one I still remember, Globetronics. KG-tronics. Okay. Now Globetronics, like I think this sort of gap down, I believe maybe just a dividend payment that you have in here. The market hasn't been adjusted. Having said that, there's not much really edge going forward. However, looking at the Magic Scanner, you will see Globetronics relatively good, no depths at all. Dividend yield is about 4%, which does makes it a good stocks to hold. It has let me see, ROE of 16. Okay, 16. A profit margin of 14 and 2-year growth. So dividend, it does pay a quite reasonable. A lot of part of it actually paying off in dividend. Now you see the return on equity is about 16%. They're paying 11. So they don't have a lot of. They don't keep a lot of retain. They do pay out as a shareholder. All right. Now remember, Globetronics is a growing company, so there will be a lot more going in. All right. This is the one. Okay. Next one. I have. Okay, so Globetronics, not much edge. You want to hold it for dividend yield. That's okay to do it. Okay, next one I have is Velo. Velo, very nice. We'll see a breakout upthrust in here. Again, this kind of stocks, do be very careful. You got ultra high volume in here. Let's see what's the volume like we're talking about. Wow, 14,000 in here. But then the volume just drop off. It's a penny share. Now, penny share you can lose a lot. But having said that, this one in here is just become a run in here. I'll be very careful. If you bought it somewhere around here, if it does break back to 40 cents, do get out. Because a lot of these shares like DPS, let me just show you, you can actually lose a lot of money. Try to avoid this kind of shares. You see that DPS, see this one bar up, ultra volume, and that's end of it. So just be very careful if you're going to be dealing all these penny stocks. Okay, stick to Amway. Alright. Next one I have here is 9296. Another penny stock here. Market trends is up. This to me is look like a distribution in here. So market will move sideways. Just watch out for the 25 cents there and 28. It might break back up to the higher part. So I would say this is a time where it can actually go up or go down. Either way. Okay, I'll put my stop loss somewhere around here. Okay. TM, any edge to buy now? Okay, I'll look at that TM now. Okay. You didn't buy it when I recommended that time. Okay. Now TM here again, looking at it, it's a very good fundamental company, like it or not. It pays about 7% yield. You can go to Magic Scanner and check this out. Okay. Telecom Malaysia. I'm interested in telecom. Look, it pays about 3.6% in here. However, chart wise it's not ready yet. Now Ming, you attended our main course, you would know that we want to have an edge on the side and buy it. So we want to be buying Telecom Malaysia when the market starts to do a markup. That's my recommendation. Not until it breaks at least 530 in there, I'll be interested. Or I may want to get a bit lower at $5 to get a better yield. Having said that, you could see there's no demand bar here. This is a perfect one, right? Ming, I know you know this bar in here. This is no demand bar. And once you no demand bar, market start to break down. This is going to go lower. Okay. Next one I have here is Takaful. Okay, Takaful. Now Takaful came in as one of our stock pick. Okay, stock pick for our premium members. You will know what I'm talking about. So Takaful broke higher. Yep. Takaful definitely breaking higher. You got again, every time when you break higher on volume diminishing, this is going to move side. Again, Takaful is not so much of a trading stock; it's an investing stock. So it will move sideways in here, and you gotta let the market really move up to enjoy the gain in here. This is normal. If you learn volume spread analysis, you would see that this should able to hold on, but just put your stop around 630. Okay. Right. MPHB. Multi-purpose. Since we have a nice big 5-day line change, the market is moving sideways. Hey, we got test in here. That's beauty. Now remember, once the test is successful, market will move higher. So we want to see a bit more test from in here. Okay. Weakening. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Power roots. Power roots. Well, the market's really moving sideways. This is again is a fundamental stocks. Right. Just watch out. If you learn volume, Ling, have you attended our main course, Ling? I believe you have, right? I think I remember seeing you. Oh, not yet. Okay. We're doing our main course on April 20, 21st, 22nd next month. I highly recommend you to come and you really learn volume spread analysis at the level that you are. Okay, so think about it. Okay, and you will see this is test, and once the test is successful, this will move up. So able to learn this will be quite good. Okay, BAT quite high, but price corrected. Okay, to buy now. Okay, let's look at BAT. BAT has always been my favorite. Okay. Having said that, today move up. But if you notice, BAT is really caught in a sideways rut. Hasn't really done much, going up and going down. $65, $60 in here. So it's well supported at 60. In here, again, looking at BAT. What kind of yield am I getting at? Okay, BAT, I should just type BAT. Okay, oh, Batu. Okay, British, is it? Tobacco, just put tobacco. Okay. Oh, British. There you go. Oh, it's not the full standard. So it pays about 5% yield at P of 22, but the depth is much higher in here. So given a choice with tobacco, okay, I can do this now. Just compare, search for tobacco. You can see, given a choice, I prefer JTI based on valuation itself, also that, and also it pays slightly lower, but JTI is cheaper. Okay, I believe you have JTI, right? All right, any more stocks before we wrap up for today? We'll just keep it very short. Okay, so as a summary, we are doing our property and stock talk. I hope you're able to come on April 6th. I know it's a bit early, just 2 more weeks, but block your calendar. I hope to see you in our Saturday property talk in here, and show your support for us as we have supported you over in our Friday chart clinic to get you in the right mood. And this time around, we will be going into types of stocks we want to look at. And if you're really concerned about general election, I will tell you what is likely to happen after the general election with the market outlook, combining stocks and property in there. What are the safest stocks to look at on April 6th? And at the same time, you'll be getting a nice package, the Magic Stock Performer Guide, as well as a book on becoming rich. And it will be held in PJ. For those of you who is outstation, make a trip to drive down to KL, meet us. I would like to know you all. So far, as of 20th of March, we have sold 10 seats. Now remember, we have 90 seats per session in the morning and 90 seats in the afternoon. So if you want to, just pay, go to the website, click on here. It takes you to a credit card payment. And for 89 ringgit, you get to tap into 2 of the so-called subject matter expert for me on stocks, as well as property from Peter Yee. Just for 49 ringgit. On top of that, you're getting a good value from the 2 publications that you're having. Okay, so that's all I have for the Gas Malaysia. Yes, Henry. Okay, Henry, want to look? Let me look at Gas Malaysia. Yeah, Gas Malaysia. Now remember, Henry, for Gas Malaysia, are you trading or investing? Henry, are you trading or investing for Gas Malaysia? Investing. Don't worry about it. If you can you access the Magic Scanner, Henry? Can you access the magic scanner? Oh, you not. Do you know that we have a free trial for the magic scanner? You can see Petronas Gas Malaysia has about a P of 20 of 5% dividend yield for that one, and it has zero drop. So if you can access the magic scanner and really look into it, you can get a free trial out here. So try it, right? Learn the language of investing, and you do well. Now that's a difference between good investor and bad investor, right? So if you are a bad investor, no matter what stocks I give to you, you cannot really make good money at all, because you must get rid of some of the bad habits. Okay, so try it out, the magic scanner. Join our premium membership. Come to our April 6th talk for the property and stock at the UM convention in here. For small fee, you get 2 publications. Okay, all right. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. The link for the webinar. What webinar is that you're talking about? Is that the okay, send me an email on that, Catherine. All right. Thanks a lot. I'll see you next Friday again. Thank you for coming.